a proven blueprint. How to become wealthy in 5 years. Ladies and gentlemen, if you've ever asked yourself, how can I become wealthy within the next 5 years? You are not alone. That question has echoed through the minds of dreamers, doers, and those determined to break free from the financial limits of their current lives. The good news? Wealth is not reserved for the chosen few. It is built, brick by brick, decision by decision, habit by habit. Today, I'm going to walk you through a clear, practical, and time-tested strategy that has helped countless people transform their financial reality. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a get disciplined, get educated, and get results method, the 6 pillars that form the foundation of wealth in 5 years or less. Before we dive in, do me this one favor. If advertisements should interrupt this video, please do not click off of the advertisements. Please allow them to play through. That's how I get compensated for laboring to put together and bring you this valuable information. Thank you very much for your kind support. Now let's get started with how to become wealthy in 5 years. The 6 steps that actually work. 1. Become financially educated. Understand how money really works. Wealth begins in the mind, before it ever shows up in your bank account. The first and most essential step is to become financially literate. That means understanding how money flows, how it grows, and how it can work for you instead of against you. Learn the language of wealth. What is compound interest? How does inflation eat away at savings? What's the difference between assets and liabilities? What separates earned income from passive income? Most schools don't teach this. Most jobs don't require it. But if you want to build wealth, you must master it. The rich read financial books, study investing, track trends, and never stop learning. They see money as a tool, not just a paycheck. Financial literacy is your foundation. It's what separates those who live paycheck to paycheck from those who build empires. 2. Learn money management, budget, spend wisely, and avoid bad debt. Once you understand money, the next step is learning how to control it. Wealth doesn't come from how much you earn. It comes from how much you keep and how intentionally you use it. Here's where budgeting enters the picture. Not as a restriction, but as a power move. A plan. A contract with your future self. Break your income down. Cover your needs, essentials. Limit your wants, discretionary spending. Prioritize investing and saving. Avoid high-interest consumer debt, like the plague. Credit card debt, payday loans, car leases you can't afford. These are wealth killers. Instead, learn to delay gratification. Buy only what appreciates or contributes to your growth. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will disappear, guaranteed. 3. Save money to invest. Limit spending and make your savings work. Saving money isn't the goal. Investing is. But savings are the fuel. Your mission is to create a gap between what you earn and what you spend, and then use that gap to fund investments that will multiply your income. Think of saving as a short-term holding tank. You're not saving just to feel secure. You're saving to deploy capital. That means cutting unnecessary expenses, living below your means, avoiding lifestyle inflation even as you earn more. In the words of Warren Buffett, do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. This mindset shift is key. The average person spends and hopes there's money left to invest. The wealthy invest first and adjust their lifestyle accordingly. 4. Invest in passive income sources. Create money that works while you sleep. This step is where the magic begins, where money begins to make money. Passive income means earning without trading your time for every dollar. It's not about quitting your job tomorrow. It's about building streams that eventually give you time freedom. Some powerful passive income vehicles include dividend-paying stocks, real estate rental properties, peer-to-peer lending, online businesses or digital products, royalties from books, music, or intellectual property, REITs or income-generating funds. The wealthy don't rely on one paycheck. They plant financial seeds that continue producing long after the initial work is done. You don't have to start big. Even a $100 investment in a stock or index fund gets the ball rolling. The goal is to build automated income streams that stack over time. 5. Network with self-made rich people. Proximity is power. Your environment will either stretch you or suppress you. If you want to become wealthy, surround yourself with those who already are. Not because you're chasing status, but because you're chasing standards. When you spend time with self-made millionaires, you'll notice they speak differently about money, solve problems creatively, see opportunities others miss, push you to think bigger. Make it your mission to join mastermind groups, attend industry events, offer value to mentors and successful peers, engage with online communities of high achievers. Remember, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Choose wisely. 6. Have multiple sources of income. Diversify or risk it all. One of the most common traits of wealthy individuals? They don't rely on a single source of income. If your income comes from only one job or one business, you're exposed. If that source dries up, your financial stability vanishes with it. Wealthy people build income diversification into their strategy. That may include a full-time job or business, side hustles, investment income, royalties, consulting or freelance work, online courses or affiliate marketing. Every additional income stream is a layer of security and a step closer to freedom. Don't wait for the perfect opportunity. Start where you are. Use your skills, your time, and your network. Build one stream, then another. Momentum follows action. Final thought, you're not just building wealth, you're building a new identity. Let me leave you with this. Wealth is not just a goal, it is a transformation. Becoming wealthy within 5 years isn't only about numbers in a bank account. It's about becoming a person who thinks differently, acts decisively, and refuses to settle for mediocrity. Each of these steps is not a task to check off. It's a lifestyle to adopt, a mindset to embody, a standard to rise to. You don't need luck. You need clarity, commitment, and consistency. The next 5 years will pass anyway. The question is, who will you be when they do? Will you still be stuck in the same patterns? Or will you look back, knowing you took the steps, made the sacrifices, and built the wealth that changed your life forever? The choice is yours. But the secret roadmap does work, and you now have it. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you have received value from this video, please smash the thumbs up button to give us a like. Want to add a comment? Please do so in the comment section below the video. Until next time, please be safe and may God bless your efforts.